Okay, so in that backpack there, which is a, let me see if I can get it in here. It's a 60-liter backpack from Walmart that I got a few years ago. In that, I'm packing the two boys of the 7-year-old and the 17-year-old. So these are going in. They are expandable closet organizer things that we use to put our clothes in. This is going in. It's a lock box that we lock our passports, tablets, things in, and hide in a bag under a bed or whatever when we go out during the day. And in it I have the 7-year-old's pants, two of the 17-year-old shorts, and 2 shirts of the teenagers. These are 7-year-old jeans, 7-year-old jeans, and 17-year-old clothes, and his shoes, and his shirts and socks. We don't wear socks a lot, so we only pack like 2 or 3 pairs. His bathroom bag, 7-year-old's bathroom stuff is with mine. His shorts are loose. His underwear and socks are in that bag, and his shirts are in that bag. I'm using the loose clothes to stuff everything so it's not so it fills in the spots, you know. And that's everything that I think is going into that bag. I could change my mind though. So I'm just gonna pack that up and then I'll start it again. You can see that. Okay, so I got everything in there, including an extra towel. I'm pretty impressed with myself. And it's actually more compressed and it's not as lumpy as it was before. And I still have space in these outside pockets here, so I could put more stuff in if I need to. And now I'm gonna work on. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a look inside of our group bathroom bag. I got this bag from, I think it was 31. I'm not 100% sure. But I like it because it can hang, you know, on a thing by this. Like it can hang like that in the bathroom, or you can just leave it open. So I've got my cold sore remedy, I've got some hair ties, I've got another Lush shampoo bar here, and this is the one that I'm using. I've got antibiotic cream, and I've got our toothbrushes, and the 17-year-old has toothpaste, and if he doesn't, then we'll just buy some when we get there. Deodorant, lip balm, Vicks, suppositories, doorstop, analgesic cream for like muscle pain, my face cream, a body lotion, and this is for mosquito bites. And yeah, we're good there. Okay, so in that big backpack right there, I think it's 80 liters, I'm not 100% sure. I got it secondhand for a couple of dollars. Myself and the 4-year-old, and so we're taking one towel, and I'm debating ditching that because we can buy towels when we're there, and often I'll just use like a t-shirt, like a big t-shirt that I have, and then just to dry off, and then I'll just hang it up to dry. I'm taking this. It's got my my Lush shampoo bars. There's 4 in there. And then Riker's clothes. These are his shorts, his pants, his socks and underwear, and his shirts are here. And then this is my tops and my underwear and socks. I'm not sure if I have socks in there, but I know that I have a couple pairs around here. And my bottoms are in here. And then these are the expandable closet organizers, one for each of us, and they can go on the floor, like out, stretched out, or they can go hanging in a closet. And then when we get places, we have somewhere to store our clothes, and we can put the backpacks like under a bed or in a closet or something, and then they're out of the way, and then we're not digging through backpacks every day. And I'm debating on bringing this camera. I think I will. And then this is kind of goofy, It's a mic that I bought that doesn't work for my iPad or my phone, but I cut the cord off because the 4-year-old and the 7-year-old really like doing interviews with this, and they'll let me video them if I have this mic. So that means that my kids will be on video. And I have a couple of journals here and a couple of kids' novels that we read, and a learning to read set, but I'm not sure if I'm going to bring that or not because he's not anywhere near there yet. And my bathroom bag. So we're going to try and fit all of that into there, plus a couple of things up here that I forgot, like my swimsuit, Riker's sandals, my cold sore remedy. I think I don't have deodorant, antibiotic cream, some suppositories. This is going in my day bag, and Chesney's going to wear these instead of jeans because he doesn't like jeans, and otherwise he won't keep his pants on the plane. So I need to stuff this into one of my bags and try and get this into my my bathroom bag, and then I'm going to put it all in, and then I'm going to work on the carry-on bags. So yeah, that's the plan. And I'm not sure if I should put the camera in that big bag or not because I don't want it to go missing, but I'm running out of room in those, and my 17-year-old doesn't want a carry-on bag, so he's being impossible. So let's try and do that.